Adam Walker, I started in the fall of 2020. When I was going through the interview process, not only was I being interviewed, but I was also interviewing the company. And Allen Edwin is the best at what they do. They have a great leadership staff. You're able also to talk to the current teammates on the team. Of course, you're going to look at compensation, but you should also consider growth, the other opportunities that are available for you. And it's a second family. So if you're considering a job change or a career change, you should consider Allen Edwin Homes. Prior to Allen Edwin, I helped build sales teams across the Midwest in the 3PL industry. And looking at getting into investment and investing into the real estate market, I came across Allen Edwin Homes. After a long interview process, I decided to make the switch, and I've never looked back since. What separates Allen Edwin from everybody else is not only they sell in Indiana and Michigan, but they offer a portfolio of services. Over 40 plus floor plans, over 150 communities, move-in ready inventory, but also the ability to build what you want and make it the way that you want. Using end loan financing, so you don't have to do a construction loan. We literally can check every home box that you're looking for in your next home. I love working with first-time home buyers. The excitement to help them in their first home helps me get out of bed every single day. What surprised me about new home sales at Allen Edwin is just the ability for our leadership team to adjust to the market and the conditions every single year. And as interest rates rose, our organization pivoted quickly and was able to adapt to the market, bringing new homes to multiple new communities and other floor plans and options that are affordable for today's home buyers. Our leadership team has done a great job cross-training in all divisions of the organization. So we're trained with the ability not only to sell in Michigan and Indiana, but also understand the roles and responsibilities. Through the process and through extensive training, you're going to have to get certified to ensure that you can do the job and deliver the ultimate customer experience. Their training process is thorough, detailed, and 100% aligned with the core values of the organization. What support I get at Allen Edwin Homes is really working with not only my teammates that are competitive but supportive, but also cross departments that'll help me understand their roles and responsibilities so we all can work together, really bringing a better product to our agents in the fields that we work in and also our clients. One of the most challenging parts of working at Allen Edwin Homes, of course, there's lots of floor plans and options in different states with different rules and laws, but also I would say setting the expectations with clients. And when you build a home 10 to 12 months out and you cover certain parts of the 14-step build process, sometimes things get forgotten, so to speak. So, always dialing that back in to make sure you're really driving the ultimate customer experience is important. Looking at the compensation before deciding to come to Allen Edwin, I thought that the income was fair. What you put in is 100% what you get out. And I would say it's well above average, and I'm very happy with my decision and what Allen Edwin provides for me. On the sales side, of course, it's competitive, but what's most impressive with this team is that it's supportive. Not only with my sales teammates, but the admins and other cross departments. And with the core values surrounding the sales team, I'm really happy with my decision to come into Allen Edwin Homes. What makes Allen Edwin unique, not only from our portfolio of services that we offer clients today, shopping in today's new home market with new inventory and pre-solds, but also the size of Allen Edwin. We're a top 1% builder and the largest builder in the Michiana market. So it feels like a big organization, but it's family run and it's my second home. I love my job every day. I have the ability to manage my calendar and schedule, also have endless compensation opportunities. But when you consider a job at Allen Edwin, you would also want to consider what else. Looking at the portfolio of options, the benefits, the leadership team. For me, those all check the boxes. And when you align that with the growth strategy, building homes since 1994, if you're considering a job change or an opportunity change, you need to consider Allen Edwin Homes. What keeps me in my role every day is I love what I do. I love helping first-time home buyers. I love my teammates, and I'm rewarded financially for what I put in and Allen Edwin's always supported me in my decisions and my goals.